Add a new courier. Open the Courier page. Click Display Couriers. Create a courier. Now fill in all mandatory fields. Also, next, hit Save. The courier gets a welcome email containing a link for password creation for the driver app and a download link. Key options during the courier setup process. Add routes if automatic order distribution is used. Additionally, the commission for the courier, defined as a percentage. Or you may determine based on distance for the driver. The account may be put on pause. This means the courier can log in but cannot accept orders. The account can be restricted, meaning the app cannot be logged into. Please always confirm with Save. A second option is for the driver directly to create an account via Become a Courier. The courier can fill in their details here and click on Create an Account. After that, you will find under Display Couriers this one, Courier, and can verify their details once more and prove and accept them manually. Further details below this video.